Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. My name is Rahma Pinka Fernanda, and in this session I will tell you about some recreational activities. One of my favorite recreational activities is dancing because it helps me stay active, confident and creative. I started learning to dance when I was in kindergarten, and since then I've always enjoyed joining performance. Dancing with my friends is a fun to take a break from tasks and daily routines. We usually practice in close space and I really look forward to spending time with them. Another activity I really enjoy is writing stories. I began writing in junior high school and I find it exciting to create characters and plots that surprise people. Sometimes I share my stories with my friends and they often recommended new ideas or help me edit my writing. All I need is quiet place and something to read to write with. If I had the chance, I would love to visit a quiet mountain resort with magnificent views. It would be the perfect place to relax, hang out with friends, and find inspiration for new stories. I believe doing fun and creative activities is important because they help me avoid stress and make life more enjoyable. Maybe that's all I want to say. Thank you for listening, watching, and goodbye.